Right, so I'm about to play the same game that I play for my discussion. Um, is this capturing everything? Yeah, I hope so. Alright. What? One or two player push start. Oh, player. So I already put the coin. My bad. Okay, so I'm supposed to be moving the up, well, down. Yeah, it does go down, the up and down arrow, and use the Alt key to kill these blue thingies that come towards me. Ooh. Um, I don't know. I can't say much about the graphics. I mean, if I compare with the games they have right now, it's kind of basic, which I understand why the technology was not as good as it is right now. Oops, sorry. Um, mm, God, leash. Okay, I have two more tries. Two more tries. And wait, why am I going the opposite way? What? Okay. Um, I guess the biggest appeal with these video games is like you can just get any person that's competitive, whether it's a good video game or not. Uh, you you gotta win. You gotta win, good or bad. Oh, whoa, 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 wait, whoa. That always gets me.